Hello and welcome to Jive Basic Workshop Episode 2. Today we will do overturn, Fallaway Throwaway, chicken walks and sugar push. We start with overturn, Fallaway Throwaway. Basic version is with a rock step, then lock step and then chasse. But this time man will start with left foot to side. And connected hands could be left to right hand hold or right to right hand hold. So we will try left to right hand hold. We do a rock step with a round type of action in hips or more straight to side action. So we do a rock step, triple step, triple step. Now we will do chicken walks, 2 slow walks and 2 quick walks. Lady will do in slow walks brush, slow, slow, quick, quick. Now we continue with Fallaway Throwaway ending and again chicken walks, this time 4 quicks. After that we will do ending of sugar push. We will do tap. Lady will tap behind, I will tap forward, then transfer weight and triple step. Last triple step we can do with round action, so tap step, triple step. And now let's look at man's steps. To side replace, lock step, chasse forward, back, 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 close, triple step, back, 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 tap, step, triple step. And now lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back replace, lock step, forward turn, triple step, forward, 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 lock step, forward, triple step, forward, 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 tap, step, triple step. And now with the count, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 and to music. Let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.